Brief. This is the last brief on this tropical cyclone. Uh, as you have seen that from last Sunday, we have been last week Sunday we have been briefing you on the tropical cyclone that was developing to the west of Fiji. It did develop and it moved to the south and then recurved, moved to the northeast, and as of last night we saw the tropical cyclone moving to the south of Onilau and then affecting the southern Lao group, and then at the moment it's to the east of Fiji. So this afternoon's briefing is from yesterday, where we saw that the tropical cyclone was entering Fiji waters and it was expected to affect southern Lao group. Tropical cyclone now located to the east of Fiji, and it continues to move northeastwards. At the center of the tropical cyclone, it's got about 50 knot winds, and it is expected to maintain the same wind strength as it moves further northeastwards. On the forecast track, we see that the tropical cyclone Winston went past to this Lao group, and it was just south of Onilau at around 10 p.m. last night. When it was the closest to the Onilau, the maximum sustained wind that was recorded at the station was 51 knots. As of this morning, it was located to the east of Onilau, and it continues to move further to the northeast towards Tonga. On the projected path, tropical cyclone Winston is expected to continue moving further northeastwards, and it will lie to the northeast of Tonga in next 48 hours, and beyond 48 hours it is expected to recurve and track westwards. So on the satellite map we can see that the cloud bands associated with the tropical cyclone Winston has moved further to the east. There is a clearance from the west, and most of the rain bands are moving away to the east as the system further moves to the northeast. Radar image, we see that the most of the weather activity has moved on. We expect some wind change. Suddenly winds are coming over us, and once this wind change comes in, probably that will ease off some of the hot weather that was being experienced, which is going to bring some cool winds over us.